Update 8 on Typhoon Neoguri, which has weakened to 125 miles per hour winds and a pressure of 941 millibars. It's a Category 3 typhoon, passing between the Miyako-jima Island and between Okinawa, in between those two islands. Its position is 25 degrees north, 126.0 degrees east, as of 2 AM UTC, July the 8th. The storm is expected to move towards the north, weakening all along the way and making landfall in Kyushu, the southernmost main island of Japan, as a tropical storm or Category 1 typhoon. The storm is expected to move towards the northeast after that, turning extratropical along the way, possibly passing near Tokyo as it moves out to sea towards the northeast. Latest satellite imagery as dawn has broken over there, and also some interesting imagery from the International Space Station as it flew over the storm a few hours ago. Fantastic imagery in my opinion. You can definitely see the storm there in its whole expanse and around the world's curvature. It's rather cool, I think. But in any case, this is the radar imagery as the storm has passed near the Miyako-jima Island there on the left-hand side of the eye wall. Luckily, that is the weaker side of the eye wall still, even though it has solidified again a little bit. And the storm, this is Okinawa radar now. You can see Okinawa towards the top of the image there, and the storm moving into that vicinity now. The spiral bands from the storm affecting Okinawa now as well, creating some thunderstorms and probably some gusty winds over there too. The eye wall itself will pass hopefully just west of those islands as it moves towards the north into the East China Sea. Sea surface temperatures are likely to drop off very soon in the next 12 to 24 hours, and then we may see some more substantial weakening occurring, which of course is going to be good news for Japan, as initially we had it tipped to be a Category 5 storm at this point. Computer models are sending the storm towards the north and then the northeast. The GFS CMC wasn't available at the time of broadcast. The storm moving through the Japanese islands, mainly grazing the southern coast actually, with a new storm forming behind that as well near the northern Mariana Islands by the looks of things, according to the GFS model, moving through those islands and then possibly moving towards the northwest and could affect the same area as Neoguri is right now. Latest floater imagery, you can see at the very start of this loop that the eye wall was very weak on the left hand side, the western side of the storm, almost non-existent on those first few frames, but it has gotten itself back together. But it appears set in stone now that a weakening trend is going to occur from here on in until the end of the storm's life as it moves through Japan. Of course, when it interacts with land, the mainland of Japan, it will continue to deteriorate rather rapidly at that point, or turn extratropical. But this is the latest satellite imagery, still a force to be reckoned with. A very strong storm, Category 3, 125 mph winds, and indeed storm surge and other factors may be a big issue as well for Japan. Around the world, Tropical Storm Fausto has formed in the Eastern Pacific, the sixth storm of that basin. 98E is an Invest there too. Invest 96S is located in the southern Indian Ocean, and of course we have Typhoon Neoguri and whatever may form behind it. Whether it will or not, it has not been tagged as an Invest yet. That's as of July the 8th at 2 AM UTC. 36 storms have formed so far around the world this year in 2014, 14 of those becoming Category 1 cyclones with winds of 74 miles per hour or higher, 8 of those becoming Category 3 storms with winds of 115 miles per hour plus. Neoguri, of course, becoming the 8th of those. And you can follow Force 13 on any of these 6 outlets: the website force13.com, the video pages YouTube and Dailymotion, Facebook and Twitter on the social platforms at Force 13 on Twitter, and you can add Fool 13 on Skype for tropical weather chat personally with myself. Next update on this video, on this storm will follow at 2 PM UTC, Tuesday, July the 8th.